Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the last classes we are discussing the exercise 3.2 problems. That means we are represent the linear equation, pair of linear equations in a graphical method. We are solving by graphical method, correct? So this classes we are discussing the algebraic method of solving the pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay students, in the last classes we are solving in a graphical method, correct? So this classes we are discussing the how to solve the pair of linear equations in a algebraic method. So there are three types are there. There are three methods are there, students. So number one, substitution method. Substitution method. Second one, elimination method. Third one, cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. Dear students, among these three methods, so very simple method, so an easiest method. But in these methods, so which is the most easiest means this elimination method is the most easiest method among these three methods. So every time we are using this method only. Okay. Suppose sometime in the examination they are asking solve the pair of linear equations in by substitution method. They are asking, if they are asking in a particularly we are solving in that method only. But they are asking not like that. Sometime solve by pair of linear following the pair of linear equations or solve x and y. So like that only they are given. Suppose if they are given like that, you are following the any kinds of method. Okay, but in they are given, if they are given in a particular method, that method only we have to give, solve by that given method. Okay. Yes. How to next one, how to solve these pair of linear equations in substitution method and elimination method and cross multiplication method. So let us discuss it. So first I will go to the substitution method. Okay, friends. Substitution method first. Substitution method. So I will go to the directly question exercise 3.3. First means solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. So let us take one of the problem. First one, x plus y, it is equal to 14, right? Yes, x minus of y is equal to 4. See student, x plus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus of y is equal to 4. Yes, let us discuss it. So first, what is the method? Substitution method. What is the procedure of the substitution method? Let us observe here, students. Among these equations, so call it as number 1 and this is called it as number 2. Okay. So among these equations, any one of the equation you have to consider it. Either if you are considering a first equation or second equations. See here, I will consider the second equation. So x minus of y, it is equal to 4. I will consider the second equation. Okay. In these equations, you have to extract the x value or y value. Any one value you have to extract it. That means you have to keep on the LHS x or y term. In the remaining terms, you have to send to the RHS. Okay. So here minus y is there. So that's why I will send to the RHS. Okay. X I will keep on here only. X it is equal to 4 minus y if it is coming is plus y. Call it as number 3. See students, ಇದಾದ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾತ್ರ LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ RHS ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ. Right? Yes. So this equations we call it as number 3. Next, if you are considering the second equations, I will consider second equation. The value of x is 4 plus y. This x value you have to substitute on the equation number 1. If you are considering the equation number 2, this value you have to substitute the equation number 1. If you are considering the first equation, this x value you have to substitute in the second equation. Okay, ಎರಡನೇ equations ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ equation ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ equation ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ಬರೋ x value ನ ಎರಡನೇ equation ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, right? Yes. So this equation number 3, put 3, this value put x value, right? substitute the value of x in equation number what? I will consider the second equation. Here this is the second equation, another form. So this equation you have to substitute the equation number 1. I will substitute in equation number 1. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನೇ equation ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡನೇ equation ಅಂದ್ರೆ x value 4 plus y ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಎರಡನೇ equations ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಆ x ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ equation ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, right? So first equation, what is the first equation? X plus y is equal to 14. So x value how much is there? 4 plus y is there, plus y as it is right now, it is equal to 14. So first equation, x instead of, I will write 4 plus y. Yes, now 4 have to send here. Okay, y plus y how much? 2y. It is equal to 14. 4 if it is come as minus 4. So 2y, it is equal to 14 minus 4, it become 10. Therefore y is equal to 2 1s are 2, 5s are, therefore y is equal to 5. Okay. So next, this value you have to substitute in equation number 1 or 2. Anyone you have to substitute. Otherwise, ready is there. Equation number 3, you have to substitute equation number 3. Okay. The value of y. Otherwise, from 3, we will consider the equation number 3. This y value you have to substitute in equation number 3. Okay. See, x it is equal to 4 plus y means how much? Y means 5. This is y, 5. Therefore, x is equal to 4 plus y is equal to 9. Therefore, x value is 9 and y value is 5. So, these two values have to substitute either 1 or either 2, then LHS is become RHS. Okay. So, I will substitute in equation number 1. X means how much? 9 plus y means how much? 5. So, 9 plus 5 much is equal to 14. This is 14. So, therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Like that, we have to substitute in equation number 2. So x means 9, y means 5. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Okay. So that's why this is the method of substitution method. So very easiest method. Okay, students. Are you understand this kind of problems? So let us move on to the next questions. So second question. See, s minus t. S minus t. It is equal to 3. S minus t is equal to 3, and another one s by 3 plus t by 2 it is equal to how much? 6. Yes, s by t is equal to 3, s by 3 plus t by 2 it is equal to 6. So see students, how to solve this kind of problems. See, this equation already in the general form, but this is in the form of what fraction is there. So we have to make this kind of form. Yes, that's why this is equation number 1. Otherwise, have to first of all this equation is to consider it. This equation we have to convert it in the general form. See, 3 and 2 is there in the denominator. We have to take out the LCM. Yes. So I will consider this is 1 and this is 2. I will consider the second equation. So 3 and 2. What is the LCM 3 and 2? It is 6 because of 3 are prime numbers. Therefore, the product is a LCM. Now, when we are given the prime number, you have to multiply cross 3. So 2 into s, 2s plus 3 into t, 3t. It is equal to 6. Next, 2s plus of 3t. It is equal to this 6 you have to send here. 6. If it is go to the RHS, it become multiplication. 6 into 6, 36. So this is equation number 2. This equation number 2 you have to give it. This is not, don't give that 2. This is equation number 2. Okay, because I will calculate it. I will simplify the s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6 is 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. It is the simplest form of this one. Okay. Yes. So equation 1 and this is equation number 2. You have to consider equation 1 or equation number 2. Here I will consider equation number 2. So here I will consider equation number 1. Anyone have to do it. I will show another one. So from 1 I will consider from 1. Okay. S minus of t it is equal to 3 is there. So I will send the t to the RHS. See, yes, I will keep on here only. Yes, or t. Anyone have to keep it. But yes, I will keep here. So 3 minus t if it is coming is plus t. So call it as number 3. Okay. This s value, if you are considering the first equation, this value have to substitute the second equation. Okay. Yes. This value substitute. I will write here. Substitute the value of yes in equation number 2. Okay, second equation. Second equation ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2s. S means how much? See, 2s means 3 plus t. You have to substitute here. 3 plus t plus of 3t. It is equal to 36. Now, you have to multiply 2 3s are 6 plus 2 into t. 2t plus 3t. It is equal to 36. So 2t plus 3t become 5t. It is equal to 36. So plus 6 if it is made here minus 6. So 5t is equal to 30. 36 minus of 6 is 30. So let us cancel it. 5 ones are 5 6 are. Therefore t is equal to what? 6. The value of t is 6. So this value you have to substitute in equation number 1 or equation number 2 or equation number 3. Anyone. So I will substitute in equation number 3. From 3, see students, s is equal to 3 plus t. I mean 3 plus t, how much is that? 6. Therefore s, what is the value of s? 9. Therefore s is 9. That's all. The value of t is 6 and the value of 9 is s is 9. You understand? So like this you have to follow the substitution method. Are you okay? Yes. Next I will go to the question number 4. Third one you have to solve it in your home. Okay. So what is the question number 4? See, 0.2x plus 0.3y it is equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y it is equal to 2.3. So this is in the form of decimal form. So we have to convert into the fraction or whole number. Not fraction, you have to convert into the whole number. It is very simple method. So how we are solving? Let us solve this question number 4. 0.2x plus 0.3y. 0.2x plus 0.3y it is equal to how much? 1.3. 1.3 like that. Second equation 0.4x plus 0.5y. 0.4x plus 0.5y it is equal to 2.3. 2.3. Yes, let us find out the value of x and value of y. So first this decimal form you have to convert into the whole number form. Okay. See what you are doing here. Very simple. These equations you have to multiply by 10 and this is also you have to multiply by 10 because after the point how many digits are there? Only one digit there. Here also one digit, here also one digit, here also one digit. Got it? So all after the point having only one digit, therefore you have to multiply by 10. If it is 2 digits, you have to multiply by 100 like that. So let us multiply it. 0.2x into 10, 2x because of the point is shifted to the right side, therefore 2x plus 0.3 into 10, 3y. It is equal to 1.3 into 10, 13. Next again this one 4x. 0.4x into 10, 4x. 0.5 into 10, it becomes 5. This is plus 5y. It is equal to 2.3 into 10, it becomes 23. The point is shifted to the right side. So now this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay students? Now we have to consider 1 or 2. So I will consider 2. From 2. Anyone have to consider it? 1 or 2? Anyone? So if you are considering the 2, so 4x I will keep here only. It is equal to 23 plus 5 I have to send here minus 5. If you are keeping the 5y, the 4x you have to send here minus 4x. Like that. Anyone have to convert it. So x is equal to 23 minus 5y, 4 you have to send here, 4 upon 4. This is equation, the value of x. So this is equation number 3. Understood? Now equation number, if you are considering the second equation, this value of x, you have to substitute in equation number 1. Okay, substitute the value of x, substitute the value of x in equation number how much? 1. Okay. What is the one value? What is the one equation? 2 into x. What is the value of x? This is the value of x. So what is 23 minus 5y whole upon 4 plus 3y, it is equal to 13. So next student, very simple. This 2 and 4 you have to cancel it. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what is the remaining here? 23 minus of 5y whole upon 2 plus of 3y is equal to 13. Now nothing is there, means here is there, 1 is there. So again you have to take out the LCM of 2 and 1. What it becomes LCM is 2. Because of 2 and 1 is the prime numbers. Therefore 2 and 1 is the LCM is 2. That's why you have to multiply 1, you have to multiply the first numerator, and 2 have to multiply with the second numerator. So very simple, 23 minus of 5y into 1, 23 minus of 5y, same. 23 minus of 5y after plus next 3y into 2, 2 3 is 6y whole upon, what is the LCM here? 2, it is equal to 30. Then afterwards minus 23 minus 5y, 6y. So 23 plus y. Because of signs are different, you have to subtract it. 6y minus of 5y will become y or 1y. It is equal to, these two have to multiply. So 2 into 30 become how much? 26. Otherwise 13 into 2 will have to 20. So it becomes 23 plus of y, it is equal to 26. Now y is equal to 26 minus 23. So 23 have sent here. Then y is equal to 3. Value of y is how much? 3. Okay. Next one, well, find the value of x. So that's why you have to, this equation number 3, you have to substitute the value of y. Therefore, from 3, I will consider from 3, this value I have to substitute in equation number 3. This x is equal to, say x is equal to 23 minus of 5 into y how much? 3. Whole upon how much? 4. X is equal to 23 minus of 5, 3 is 15 whole upon 4. Therefore, x is equal to 23 minus of 15. How much? 8. 8 by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Understood? 23 minus of 15. 5 plus 3, 8. Correct? 8 by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to 3. The value of x and y is, x is 2 and y is 3 of the given equation solutions. Are you understood? So like this, you are solving this kind of problems. So dear students, in the examination question paper, they are asking very simple, solve x and y. That's it. They are giving like that only. If they are giving like that, you have to use the substitution method or elimination method or cross multiply. Anyone you have to choose it. Okay. So I will go to the next number. Question number 6th one. I will go to the question number 6th one. See, in that question number 6, as it is in the question number 2 is there. Can you solve it? 3x by 2 minus of 5y by 6, 3 is equal to minus 2. X by 3 plus of y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. As it is in the equation number 2 is there. Very simple. This equation you have to make it in the second one. What is that? You have to take out the LCM and apply the LCM. You have to write in the general form. Okay. This is also have to keep take out the LCM. Again, you have to write it in the general form. Then you have to find us x and y. Okay, let us solve it. No problem. 3x by 2. I will show it. Question number 6 one. 3x by 2. Okay. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 6. Minus 5y by 6. It is equal to how much? Minus 2. Okay. So first I will solve it this question in the general form. We will convert it into the general form. So 2 and 6 LCM is 6. So otherwise you have to find out LCM. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 3 1 3s are 2 into 3 6. That's right. So into 6 into 6. Okay students. So 2 1s are 2. 3s are 6 6 is cancel. 3 into 3 9x minus of nothing is there means 1. This is 5y. It is equal to minus 2. This 6 you have to multiply here. So therefore 9x minus of 5y it is equal to 6 to the 12 minus 12. This is equation for 1. Next, take it the equation number 2. What is the second equation? X by 3 plus y by 2. Y by 2 it is equal to how much? Minus, sorry, it is equal to 13 by 6. It is equal to 13 by 6. Okay students, again have to take out the LCM. 3 and 2 is 6. 3 to the 6. Then have to cross multiply because these are two are prime numbers. When the prime numbers you have to multiply crossly. So not like this. This is 2 and 6 is not a co-prime number. Okay, that's why I will apply the LCM. Here if they are giving like this problem numbers, then you have to use this tricks. What is the tricks? Have to, this product is the LCM. After the take out the LCM, 2 have to multiply the first numerator, 3 have to multiply the second numerator. Very simple. 2 into x, 2x plus 3 into y, 3y. It is equal to 13 by 6. See students, 6 get cancelled. You have to cancel it here only because of here numerator is there. Sorry, cosine is there. Here in the denominator and denominator get cancelled. Numerator is also cancelled. But here numerator is not cancelled. That's why. What is the remaining? 2x plus 3y. It is equal to 13. Quadratic number 2. Okay, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So solve these equation 1 and 2. Then you have to get the x and y value. Can you solve it? Very simple. You have to consider 1 or 2. Okay, you have to consider 1 only. So 9x minus of 5y is equal to minus 12 is there. So 9x have to keep here only. Minus 5 have to send here. So what it become? Minus 1 plus 5y it become, or 5y minus of 12 it become. Okay, then this x value you have to substitute in equation number 2. Then you have to get the y value. That y value you have to substitute in equation number 3. Can you solve it, these questions? Okay? Yes, I will leave it. Okay? So I will go to the next question. What is the question number? Second main. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, 2x minus of 4y is equal to minus 24. Hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. Very simple students. So among these equations have to find the x and y value, and then x and y value you have to substitute here in this equation, then you can get the m value. So can you solve it? Yes. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. 2x plus 3y it is equal to 11. 2x plus 3y is 2x minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y. 2x minus of 4y is equal to minus 24. So these two are equations. This is quadratic number 1 and this is quadratic number 2. Yes, let us solve it. So we have to consider 1 or 2. So I will consider 2. From 2, what is this? 2x I will keep on here only. Minus 4y I will send here. It become what? 4y plus 4y. What is the remaining here? Minus 24. So therefore x is equal to 4y minus of 24 whole upon 2. Otherwise, this is one of the simple method are there. So these whole equations is multiplied by 2 because this x coefficient 2, y coefficient 4 and remaining 24. So these all coefficients have to divide it from 2. That's why. If it is 21, suppose 21 is there, you cannot divide from this whole equation by divided by 2. When the all term are dividing by the same number, then you have to use it same number. You have to multiply, divide from same number. Otherwise, don't want. So, but here the all numbers is divisible by 2. That's why I will the whole equations I will divisible by 2. Yes, 2 into x, 2 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones. So remaining is x. It is equal to 2 how many is up? 2 2s are y minus 2 how many is up? 2 6 are 24. This is equation number. So otherwise you have to keep here only. This is equation number 3 because this is the x value, right? So this is the equation number 3. Next students, very simple. Substitute the value of x the value of x in equation number how much? I will consider 2. You have to substitute in equation number 1. So what is the equation 1? 2 into what is the x value? 2y minus of 6 it is plus 3y it is equal to 11. Now students, I have to multiply that 4y minus of 6 to the 12, so plus 3y it is equal to 11. So 4y plus 3y how much? 7y. 4 plus 3 7y it is equal to 11. So minus 12 it comes plus 12. Therefore 7y it is equal to 12 plus 11 it becomes 21. 23. Correct? 11 2 plus 3. So what happened? 2x is equal to 4y minus 4 plus 4 minus 24. Is it right the question? 2x minus of 4y is equal to minus 24. Right. Then x is equal to 2y minus sorry this is not 2 12s are 2 ones are 2 2s are 4. Sorry. So that's why this is how much? X value 2y minus of 12. 2y minus of 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24. Okay. Must clear. Okay. Next. This is 24. Sorry. Minus 24 if it is same means plus 24. And then 4y plus 3y 7y minus 24 it will become plus 24. 24 plus of 11 it will become 35. Therefore y is equal to 7 1s are 7 3s are. Therefore y is equal to 3. Okay, this value you have to substitute in equation number 3. So from 3 x is equal to 2 into what is the y value? 3. 2 into 3 plus of minus of 12. 2 into 3 minus of 12. So 2 x is equal to 2 into 3 6 minus of 12. Therefore x is equal to how much? Minus 6. The value of x is minus 6 and the value of y is 3. So next find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. Y is equal to mx plus 3 is there. So we have to substitute the x and y value in equation number y is equal to mx plus 3. Okay. So y value how much is there? 3. It is equal to m into what is the x value? Minus 6 plus of 3. So next plus into minus. So 3. So minus 3, so 3 here send only minus 3, but it will become minus m 6m. Okay, 3 minus of 3 is 0, minus 6 into m 6m. So m is equal to 0. See what it happened? 2x is equal to 4 of x, 2 to the 4, minus 24, and then 2 into 2y minus of 12. Then plus 3y is equal to 11, and then 2 to the 4y, 12 to the 24 plus 3y, 4 plus 3 7y, and then 11 plus 24, okay, 35, 7 5 is up. 7 5s are 35. Sorry, then y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 5. 7 5 is 35, not 7 3s are. So 1 is equal to m into x how much? This is y. So it become 5 to the 10 minus of 12 it become minus 2. The value of x is minus 2. So minus 2 plus of 3. Therefore 5 plus 3 if it is coming is minus 3 minus 2m. Then 5 minus of 3 become 2. It is equal to minus 2m. So m is equal to 2 divided by minus 2. 2 to get cancelled. Therefore m is equal to minus 1. Friends, this is the equation 1 and equation 2. I will consider equation number 2. The value of x is 2y minus of 12. This equation you have to substitute in equation number 1. So if you are substituting in equation 1, y value is 5, and then this value you have to substitute in equation number 3. So therefore x is equal to 2y minus of 12, 2 into 5, y 2 is 10, and remaining is minus 12, become minus 2. Therefore y is equal to mx plus 3 is the equation. You have to find the m value here. Therefore y and x value you have to substitute here. Y value is 5 and x value is minus 2. So y 5 as it is right down, plus 3 you have to send here minus 3. So plus into minus 2 into m, 2m. So therefore 5 minus of 3 become 2, 2m minus 2m as it is right down. So m is equal to minus 2 if here means divided by minus 2. Therefore 2 to get cancelled, divided by minus 1. So the value of m is -1. Are you understood? So next question number 3. The next questions are all word problems. In this chapter, they are asking 2 marks question are there, and one is 3 or 4 marks question they are asking. And graph is also compulsory they are asking. The final examination for 4 marks questions for the graph. See, question number 3, third one, first one. The difference between the two numbers is 26, and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. See students, I don't know what is the number. 2 numbers are there. The 2 numbers, the difference how much? 26. The other number is there, minus 26. Therefore, suppose let the 2 numbers are third one, first one. Let the 2 numbers are, do you know that? You don't know. Therefore, x and y. The difference of the 2 numbers how much is 26. Therefore, x minus of y, it is equal to 26. This is x and y are the 2 numbers. If you are subtracting these 2 numbers, you will get 26 called as number 1. And then suppose next equation second one, and one number is 3 times the other. One number is one number is 3 times the other. 3 times the other. How? See, one number how much is x? I will consider x is, so this value is means is equal to 3 times the other means 3. Other number what? Y. 3y. So one number is 3 times the other. For example, first number is 10. The second number is, the another number is 3 times the other means 30. Are you understood? If your x value is, y value is 10, the x value is 30. Like that. Okay. So this is equation number 2. So this already ready-made, already extracted x value. This value you have to substitute in equation number 1. Okay. So put 2 in 1. One equation. Therefore, x value how much? 3y minus of y, it is equal to 26. 3y minus of y will become 2y. It is equal to 26. Therefore, y is equal to 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore, y is equal to 13. Are you understood? The value of y is 13. And this value you have to substitute in equation number 2. From 2. What is that? X is equal to 3 into 30. Y value how much? 13. Therefore, x is equal to 33 is 39. You understood? Very simple questions. Okay. If you are, see students, if you are subtracting this 39 and 13, you have to subtract it how much? 39 minus of 13. So it becomes 26. Correct? The difference of 2 numbers is 26. Are you understood? And then one number is 3 times the other. Correct? The one number is 13. 13 3s are how much? 39. Is it right? So that's why the value of the numbers are, one is 13 and another one is 39. Okay. Next one. So we'll go to the question number third one. Second one you have to do it like this only is there. So you have to solve in your home. Okay. We'll go to the question number 3. The coach of cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls. So in a cricket team, coach is there. So she got the bats and balls. How much bats and how much balls? See, 7 bats and 6 balls. 7 bats and 6 balls. She get by the cricket coach by the 7 bats and 6 balls. For how much rupees? 3,800 rupees. So cricket coach ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 bats ಮತ್ತು 6 balls ಅನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? 3,800 rupees ಗೆ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. And later afterwards she buys ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? 3 bats ಮತ್ತು 5 balls. Next time ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750 rupees ಗೆ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. What is the cost of each bat and each ball? We don't know. So we know that 7 bats and 6 balls cost 3,800 and 3 bats and 5 balls the cost is 1,750. I don't know what is the value of each bat and each balls. So let us find out how you are finding that. So first of all, these students, so this is question number 3. Let the cost of bat Cost of bat is rupees x. We have to consider it. We don't know. That's why we have to consider x. Let the cost of each bat or one bat or a bat, each of a bat is rupees x, like that. Let the cost of a ball is rupees y. Okay. So one bat in a value x and one ball in a value y. Each bat and each ball. So we don't know. That's why we consider the unknown value. Next one, see students, for the first case, first time 7 bats and 6 balls. She get buy the 7 balls and 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees. How much? 3,800. See, so if you have the value of each bat is x, what is the value of 7 bats? 7x. That's why first 7 bats plus 7 bats and 6 balls. How much rupees they are giving? Rupees 3,800 they are giving. Correct? Is it right? 3,800. Correct. Now, what is the value of 7 bats? So 7x. So each value of bat is x. Therefore 7x plus 6 balls. How much cost? 6y. Each cost of balls is y rupees. Therefore 6 balls is 6y. It is equal to 3,800. Call it as number 1. Understood. Next one. What is the next? Later on, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls. 3 bats and 5 balls. How much rupees? Rupees 1,750. Okay, 1,750. Yes. Now 3. What is the each cost of bat? X. Therefore 3x and 5. Each cost of ball is y. Therefore 5y. It is equal to 1,750. This is called as number 2. Okay. So this is first equation and this is second equation. This have to solve the x and y value. If you are getting the x and y value, the cost of x rupees is x value is the cost of bat and y value is cost of ball. Okay, let us find out. So in that I will consider the second equation. From second, in a substitution method only you have to solve it. Okay. See, 3x I will keep on here only. It is equal to 1,750. 1,750. So plus y if it is coming is minus 5y. So for x is equal to 1,750 minus of 5y was upon 3. This is equation number 3. Called as number 3. So this value you have to substitute in equation number 1. Okay. So what is the equation number 1? We will consider from 1. You have to write it. Substitute the value of x in equation number 1. So I will write only simply from 1. 7 into, what is the x value? 1,750 minus of 5y whole upon 3, then plus 6y, it is equal to 3,800. So next we have to multiply that. 7 into 0, 0, 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 7s are 49 plus of 3, 52, 49 plus 3, 52, 2, 5 carry. So 7 is 7 plus of 5, 12. 12,250 minus of 7 5s are 35, y whole upon 3. So plus 6y, it is equal to 3,800. So next one, so nothing is there means 1 is there. You have to take out the LCM of these two numbers. So what is the LCM? This is 3 is the LCM. So now you have to multiply cross 3. 12,250 minus of 35y as it is right on this plus. So this 6y and 3 have to multiply. 6 3s are 18y. It is equal to 3,800. Now you have to cross multiply that. 3 into 3,800. So what it become? 12,250. And then minus of 35. See, minus 35y plus of 18y. You have to subtract it. What it become? Minus 17y. Is it right? 18 plus 17, 35. Is it right? Yes. 35 minus of 18y is equal to minus 17y. whole upon is equal to 5 minus 15 minus 87 and then 2 minus 1 is 1. So 3 into 3800, what it become? 0, 0 plus 3 into 8, 3 8s are 24, 2 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11, 11,400 it become. Now finally, minus 17 I have to send here, so 12,250 have to write here. So if you have to send 11,400, it become minus 11,400. It is equal to 17y. Have to subtract it. What it become? So 0 minus of 0, 0. 5 minus of 0, it become 5. And then 2 minus of 4 not going. 12 minus of 4, it become 8. Here 1 is there. So 1 minus of 1 is 0. 1 minus of 1 is 0. So 850 is equal to 17y. Therefore 17 ones are, 17 fives are. Therefore 50. Therefore y value how much is equal to 50. The value of y is 50. Now we have to substitute the this value in equation number 3. If you are substituting equation number 3, we will get the value of x. Therefore, from 3, what is the x value? X is equal to, so 1750 minus of 5y, so whole upon how much? 3. So y have to substitute here 50. Directly have to substitute here. So x is equal to 1750 minus of 250. 5 5s are 25. 250 whole upon 3. Therefore x is equal to 1750 minus of 250. How much become? 1250. Correct? 750. Sorry. 1500 whole upon 3. Next 3 ones are 3 5s are 50. 500. Therefore x is equal to rupees 500. Okay. What is that? The cost of bat is rupees 500. The cost of ball is rupees 50. Cost of bat, each bat, cost of a bat is rupees 500. Cost of a ball is rupees 50. Are you understood? So like this you have to solve it. Okay. Yes, friends. In the next classes we are discussing the we have to discuss in the some more questions in this exercise. Okay. Thank you.